Good evening and welcome to Design Technology, and we're talking about this evening engineering manufacturing course that we offer from 2022. The course that we offer is an OCR course, and it is a updated version of the one that we currently offer and have been offering for several years. So the focus on this course is the key principles of engineering manufacturing, which is essentially how components are made. This is a GCSE equivalent. It has 3 units, one which is an exam unit of 40% and 2 non-exam assessments which are worth 60% overall, 30% each. It works on OCR grading, so level 2, distinction star, distinction merit, pass, and then there's a level 1 fallback of distinction merit and pass. So obviously if a student doesn't quite achieve level 2, there is a level 1 sort of fallback, although we aim to try and get everyone up to level 2 sort of standard. Continuing the education, so beyond year 11, this course could lead you on to A-level design technology, which we currently do in St Benedict's, an apprenticeship in manufacturing or Cambridge Technical or T-level. Takes you into sort of manufacturing, design, system maintenance, service technician, etc. There also is a web link here to some engineering jobs, and then obviously you can research sort of further into what jobs this could take you to. So, there are 3 units of study, as I said before. There's R014, which essentially is the exam unit, which is an hour and a quarter. And that is looking at sort of like the basics of engineering, so types of manufacturing processes, materials, manufacturing requirements, and new developments in engineering manufacture, so CNC machining, 3D printing, that kind of thing. And basically that will be taught throughout the course with an emphasis on sort of doing the exam at the end. As I say, which is an hour and a quarter. That is worth 40% of the overall course. Then we have 2 assessed units that are assessed inside school and then verified by OCR. One is manufacturing a one-off product. So essentially that is planning and making a one-off product. It is measuring, marking out and safely using process and equipment to make that product. And then there's another unit which is manufacturing quantity. So looking at CNC machining, programming, and basically how we can make batch or mass production parts. The assessment methods are, as I said, R014 is the exam for an hour and a quarter, and the other 2 units are set assignments, which are teacher assessed, and then the exam board will moderate them. You will not get marks for activities done, but you will get marks for anything that is documented. So if it's not documented, it cannot be marked. Just as some example of some previous work. So obviously this is the course before it was changed, because obviously we don't have any examples of the new course. All the materials haven't come out for that yet. So you can see here's a production plan. We can see here manufacturing using inspection equipment, using a lathe, and doing some manual tools like tapping and putting a die on here, which is a external thread. So sort of putting on threads, filing, sawing, drilling, that kind of thing. We're making a one-off, making a one component, and talking about sort of how we plan and prepare for that. The other unit is manufacturing quantity, so talking about sort of CNC programming, creating drawings, planning and comparing that planning to CNC machining, and looking at how we write programs and so on, and operating CNC equipment. The homework will be set basically as tasks for the exam, so practicing learning for that, boosting of theory tasks that we do in class, and preparing for our NEA assignment. And then why would you want to choose this course? So reason to choose: if you're interested in sort of planning for making and working for real industry, if you're interested in a job within engineering, sort of Toyota, Bombardier, Rolls-Royce, something like that, this course would be interesting to you. If you want to understand how products are manufactured, if you enjoy like project work, if you like working to deadlines, and you don't like a whole exam at the end. Reasons to avoid: it's not entirely practical. There's a lot of theory involved, lots of writing up, and if you prefer a linear exam sort of course, then this is not for you. Engineering manufacture focus on how things are made. If you more prefer to do something that's engineering design based on why it was designed, then you would probably be better off choosing the design one. There is a crossover, so you cannot choose them both. If you want any more information on this course, please email me at these contact details, or you can look on the exam board and search for the course, which is J823. And you can also look on the website there as well. Right, thank you very much for listening, and I hope any more information that you require, please contact me. And I hope it's been some use for you, and I hope to see people on the course. Thank you.